Arise Glory Revival Ministry International presents Restoration International Revival Conference Nairobi, Kenya Edition 2021. This conference is set to start on the 28th of March to 5th of April 2021 from 9 a.m. where there will be a leaders meeting, and later in the day at 4 p.m. there will be a miracle service. This conference will be hosted by Bishop Moses Asimwe Kiruda, and the chief guest speakers will be Archbishop Calvin Antonza II from Nigeria and Bishop Melchi M. Bano from Nigeria. This conference will be aired live on Nisi Television. Our theme for this conference comes from the book of Genesis chapter 6 and verse 8, the grace of our Lord. Come and be restored.
I restore your status.